How to add products from Printify to Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add products from Printify to Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to printify.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below, and you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Printify, it is an e-commerce platform that specializes in print-on-demand or POD and dropshipping services, in which it allows individuals, entrepreneurs, and businesses to create custom-designed products such as apparel, accessories, home goods, and many more, without the need for upfront inventory or manufacturing. And some of the features that this platform provides including product customization, print-on-demand, product catalog, integration, order fulfillment, and branding and white labeling. And now, to access this platform, you could also avail different kind of plan that they offer, such as the free plan, the premium plan, and also the enterprise plan, in which below you will see the corresponding prices and the list of benefit it included. But in those options, I'm going to choose to start for free. So kind of click on it and just fill out all of the required information to sign up. And after signing in, you will be directed on this dashboard of Printify, in which you will be able to see here some of the options on the left side panel that you can navigate, including your store, dashboard, catalog, my products, order, wallet, store settings, and many more. And now from here, the next thing that we need to do is to click on my store in order to connect our Shopify store. So just proceed by clicking add a new store, and from here you will see on the right side panel some of the store that you can connect or integrate. And just proceed by clicking the Shopify, and from here the next thing that you need to do is to simply paste the link of your Shopify store. So just go here to your Shopify, and under the sales channel, kindly click the eye icon of your online store, and you will be directed on the next tab. And from here, just proceed by copying this URL link of your shop, and after that, just proceed to your Printify account and proceed by pasting the link in here. And after that, just click connect button below, in which after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply install the Printify to your Shopify account. But as you can see, this link has already been connected to my Printify. So that means I have already done connecting my Shopify to Printify. And now, after connecting Shopify to your Printify account, just go back to this page right here, and under My Store on the left side panel, kindly click on it and select your Shopify store. And after that, the next thing that we need to do is to go to Catalog in order to create a product that we want to sell or add to our Shopify store using the Printify. So just click Catalog on the left side panel, and from here you can choose the product that you want. You can choose men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, but I'm going to choose men's clothing and t-shirts. And now you will be able to see here on the right side panel some of the t-shirt that you can use to design in order to create your own product. So let's say in those t-shirt, I'm going to choose this one right here. So kind of click on it, and you will be directed on this page, in which from here it will show you the preview picture of this t-shirt, the name of it, and also the description below. And after that, just scroll down until you find the Start Designing button right here. And after clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to start designing this t-shirt, you can add design from your device or from your computer files, or alternatively, you can choose AI image generator to generate an image. And you could also add here the custom text, but in those options, I'm going to choose AI image generator. So kind of click on it. And from here, you can select the style by simply clicking in here. You can choose either anime, photographic, digital art, but I'm going to choose the line art. And below here, you can simply describe the image that you want. So let's say I'm going to enter here volcano in winter, and just click generate images below. And after that, it will show you the results in here. And in those results, I'm going to choose this one. So kind of click on it. And after that, you will be directed in this page, in which you can resize this design to fit in the t-shirt. And after customizing the size of it, just proceed by clicking Save Product to continue. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you how your products look like when a person is wearing it. And after choosing the title image and selecting a mockup views, if you scroll down below here, you will be able to see the description. And if you want to add a size table to description, kindly check these boxes right here. And aside from that below, you could also add a tag such as this men's clothing, t-shirts, unisex, and other tags that will fit to your product. And aside from that, below here, you will be able to see some of the variants of your product, including the sizes of it, the color, and you will see here the retail price and your profit. And as you can see, you have a profit margin of 40%. So that means each product that you will sell, you will earn a 40% gross profit from it. But you could also customize it and make it 60%. And aside from that, below here, you will be able to see some other details, including the variant visibility, the same product details, and many more. And if you are now done customizing some other details, just proceed by clicking the Publish button below. And after that, you will be directed in here, in which it will show you that the product is now being published. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And after being published, just go to your Shopify account and proceed by clicking Products option on the left side panel, in which upon clicking on it, you'll be able to see here the product that you just published from Printify. So you've now added a products from Printify to your Shopify account. And by clicking on it, you'll be able to see some other details, including the title of it, the description, the variants of it with its different kind of sizes, and also the search engine listing below. And now to check if this product has been added to your online store of Shopify, all you need to do is to proceed to your online store of Shopify by simply clicking here, and on the next tab, you'll be able to see here your online store, and if you scroll down, it will show you the products that you just published from Printify. And from here, it will show you some other details, including the variant sizes, the prices, the name of it, and also below the description of it. So this is basically what the customers will see if they try to purchase this product. And aside from that, if you want to change some other things about this product, you can still do that by simply going to your Printify account. And by simply clicking this edit option right here, you will be able to be directed in here and change some other details, design, and also the prices of this product. By simply selecting all, you will be able to edit the price, and from here you can simply enter the price in USD. So for instance, I'm going to enter here $50 for any items of this product. And now to save the changes, kindly click the Publish button below. And after that, the changes must be reflected or updated to Shopify online store. By simply clicking in here, you should be able to see some other changes that we just also input or customize in Printify. So that is basically how you can add products from Printify to Shopify. Thank you.